I love sitting by the Christmas tree watching TV, but it has been so freaking cold in the house because if we turn the heat up, it gets really hot upstairs where the kids hang out and play. So I grabbed one of these Airvanas. QVC has this thing on an insane sale, but it comes with a little remote and you can oscillate it. It also has two different heat modes that you can set all the way up to 99 degrees, or it can just blow fan. You can set the timer on it. And what's really cool is if it were to tip over, it automatically kicks off, so it's got safety measures on it. If you need a great space heater, this sale is going to end pretty quick, and when QVC runs out, they also don't restock. So I'm going to link it down here in the orange cart. Get them before they're gone.